Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about these SmartyPants organic gummy vitamins for toddlers. They're toddler formula. They have probiotics in them also. I really like them because they are in this gummy shape. They are squishy. I feel comfortable giving my little one these. If you wanted to, you could cut them up too. It's great because it's also free of most allergens, which is awesome. It is made in a vegetarian way, so it is pretty healthy for you. One thing I really like about it is it only has 2 grams of sugar, which is awesome for gummies. That's great, but they taste well. They're chewy enough. That has A, C, D, E, vitamin B1, riboflavin, B6, folate, B12, biotin, zinc. Got a lot of good stuff in there. So I definitely recommend these. It helps give my mama heart peace of mind that my little one is a little protected during this cold and flu, all of the above season. So definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.